guys? Welcome back to another episode of Manji TV. On today's episode, we got the base Manji X Meat. Headed to Tacos El Gordo. All the boys are here. It's only about 8:15. We're gonna leave at 9. A ton of people already showed up. DDE, Skinny, bunch of YouTubers, bunch of sick cars.
I think I'm trying to be funny. I think it's bigger than you. Like, no joke. I'm trying to be funny.
Yeah, that's a small turbo, bro.
Dude, it's not big enough.
Clean them out with
kind of spray through At first I was all, dude,
Freaking Dave from DDE right here, boy. Damn, dude. Good little turnout. One GT3 and G82 just hiding back here. That plate M4 Comp X, this thing's sick, making almost 1,000 horsepower. Clean LCI. Woo.
Did they, I mean, what's it called? Damn, Anthony.
It's gotta warm up first. I'm not doing it yet.
I'm saying I'm not doing it yet.
Skyline right there. GT3. M4 Comp. SRT. Yes, sir. We've got a Skyline right here.
We're detailers, and we do a lot of detailing for a lot of exotic shops around town here. GP Auto Works.
Then we got DDE right
I just
here.
figured, are you always in town?
Nice classic right there.
I'm gonna have power in the house.
We've got Steven's car right here.
What's good?
Woo! Got the McLaren right there. C-Series, McLaren. Little M4, we got everything inside right now. We got Gordo right here.
All right, guys, thank you for coming out. We really appreciate it. Moises and me, I'm the owner of Manji. I'm Radlers on IG. Check us out. We can do anything you need. We got products and everything you can think of. So anyways, I hate talking to people. This is not my thing, but anyways, we're going to the Midway. So everybody drive safe. We got cops obviously out here. And then after the Midway, we're going to Tacos El Gordo and Chula Vista. And hopefully just everybody drives safe and gets there together, you know? Anyways, thanks for coming. I appreciate it. All right, guys, we're rolling out. Eddie's in the G87. Keo's got the cam. Jump in the back seat. Go. Yeah. Locking the shop up. All right, people, we out. As you guys can see, everybody's rolling in here at the Midway. We were like the first ones to make it, surprisingly. But let's hear it. Got the G87, the F87, the E82. God, guys, that was rowdy. My nerves are going off right now. Shaking. Dude, this thing sounds so good. GTR, dude.
Oh, that was you! I thought that was him!
This is crazy. Spray it! Alright, guys. Made it down here to Tacos El Gordo. Got Moises with us. All the boys are rolling in. The truck. Park over there. Let's do, how many you guys want? How many you want?
I'm on 4.
4? 2? Just 2?
Yeah.
Do they do carnitas here? They don't. The carnitas over there, you gotta order. I don't know, maybe like 20. 20 tacos.
There you go. Make sure you keep
Yeah. Alright guys, we just smashed like 20 tacos.
Yeah.
I don't know, everybody had a hell of tacos.
I don't know. Is that lighter?
No smoking, bro. Smoking is bad. Whew. Anyways, hopefully you guys like this type of content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.